can see it's touching the bridge. That looks like a creek over there. Tide.
Daddy, can I toss this down there?
We got a ways. I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be okay.